Today we're going to take your playing from this to this. We're going to train our mind and our muscles so we can bring it into the music. We're going to get it on right now. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to be a better drummer. If you are back for more, thank you so much. The difference between those two examples are a subtle thing called ghost notes. These are quiet notes played on the snare between the heavier backbeats of the rhythm, and it's a great way to add a lot of depth and style to your playing. Now we're going to work through 2 exercises that'll have you drumming like Casper so fast it's scary. The first one is a more simple introduction to ghost notes. The second exercise puts one of our rudiments to use, and it's a little bit more complex. You and I will play through these together, so if you're by your drums, grab a seat, and if you're not, you can start off by smacking your legs, the desk, whatever, because the most important part of learning this starts in your brain. We'll get those neurons connected and then build muscle memory. We're going to start with a straight 8th note beat, and then we're going to add ghost notes in 16th note subdivisions, which just means that they're going to fall somewhere in the 1E and a 2E and a. If having the kick drum involved is too much at first, try slowing it down some more or just playing with your hands. Then add the kick drum in when you're more comfortable and your hands are on autopilot. I always start slow to train my mind and my muscles, then I speed up. We're going to start off with hopefully a comfortable tempo. It's going to be 70 beats per minute. All right, let's get our straight 8th beat going. 8th notes on the hi-hat. Now that we have our beat going, remember our 16th note subdivisions? 1E and a 2E and a. Let's add one light snare hit on the of 2. Now let's add another ghost note to the of 4. Remember to keep those ghost notes super quiet. All right, now we have our 2 ghost notes on autopilot. Let's add one more to the E of 3. Boom! There you go, Casper. The next exercise is based on a paradiddle. If you don't have paradiddles yet, let's do a really quick crash course because they are one of the most important rudiments for drummers to know. Paradiddles are just 16th notes, and we take turns playing a double with each hand. So right, left, right, left, left. So we accent the beat, and it's got ghost notes built into it. We're going to start off playing paradiddles on just the hi-hat and the snare. Now add the kick on the 1 and the 3. It actually sounds pretty cool like that. Let's take it one step further though to make it a bit more of a proper beat by keeping steady 8th notes going on the hi-hat while your left hand does its paradiddle thing. Change it up a little bit, try it over there on the ride. Congratulations, you're officially killing it. As you get more comfortable, of course you can change up when you're playing the ghost notes, the kick drum pattern, you can move it around the drum kit, build up tempo. Now check out one of these videos for more exercises and lessons. And remember, mind, muscles, and music. I will see you soon.